Hey everyone, Joanna Chimilda, Taiga Ho. Welcome to another episode of Channel and Delicious Ventures daily vlog. Now, today I am in the city wearing my new outfit that I bought at Mercy. So this is the new denim that I got from her. So this was $39 I got in Mercy. So the store is located in Rhodes and it's a Korean outfit store, which I really love the quality of this one. And look at that cute smiley face that you can see here. Anyways, but today I am meeting up my bestie Honey, who I will be going to a handcrafting store together with her. I have a collaboration at this craft shop called Cuddly Craft Shop, and we're going to be doing a personalized phone case together, and I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, I can't wait because there's a lot of cool things that you can actually do there. Besides from the phone case, you can actually do like fluid bear and some other handcrafts as well. So I'm really looking forward to it and can't wait to go in and check it out. And yeah, I'll show you around once I get there. See you then. So I'm gonna head up to the station right now, and my bestie Honey is actually here already. So I'm gonna look for her. I think she's sitting just ahead, so I'm gonna record her right now. There she is, right there, wearing the black and white. We're wearing like a kind of matching outfit today. Hello. Hi. So the Cuddly Craft Shop that we're going to is located in Camperdown in Sydney, but it is like 35-minute walk from Central Station, which I don't think I have the energy because I have been walking all day yesterday in the city for Vivid. So we're going to be catching the bus, which will take roughly 15 minutes to get there, and once we arrive I will show you around. So this is one of the exits of Central Station, and now we're gonna head to the bus stop just straight ahead across the road. And yeah, we're gonna catch the bus and then head over to the craft shop. The weather today is looking very pretty. I mean, not pretty, but like very nice today. It's nice and sunny, nice and warm. It was quite foggy this morning, but yeah, I'm so glad that today's weather is looking pretty warmer than yesterday. So here we are at the bus stop waiting for our bus, and just down over that side is the Central Station area, and over on the opposite side of the road here is where Chippendale is, where you can find a lot of very popular restaurants, dessert cafes down there as well. And there's the UTS, the University of Technology, is there as well. And yeah, looking very nice today. I love the blue skies, sunny skies, no clouds at all. Very nice today. So we are now roughly 4 minutes away from the Cuddly Craft Shop, and just across the road from here is the University of Sydney. So just behind me here is the Cuddly Craft Shop, and we've just arrived here and it's looking pretty cool in there. Let me show you around quickly. So you can see from the outside here, there's a lot of handcrafts that you can do. There's painting, you can do your own handcraft mirrors as well. It's pretty cool. And it's not looking so busy, so I'm pretty excited to go in there, and it's going to be a nice peaceful activity for today. So since we've decided to do a phone case together, we are given a choice of picking 2 colors for the paint, and we're allowed to pick any 5 of these large size and medium size charms. There's a lot of varieties here, and look at these cool designs that people have made here. It's very, very cool. So many kinds of charms that you can pick here. And here we are allowed to pick any of these small little charms, and there's so many cool ones. Look at these Kirby ones, very cute. And I found this. Ta-da! This one's so cute. I like it. There's like Pikachu's as well. There's so many kinds. There's the Monster Ink as well, Mahjong as well. That's so cool. And look down here. Look, Ooh, SpongeBob. So many cute varieties. I have no idea which one I'm gonna pick, but yeah, it's gonna take me a while to pick all this. There's more charms over here as well. So these are a lot smaller ones. So they're like the dessert ones, like little cakes and macarons. That's so cool. And look at these here. These ones are so cute. I like those ones. And you can see here that besides from doing the phone cases, you can also do the mirrors as well. And there's a couple of the phone cases here. I'll show you more around here. Look at these really cool designs that other people have made. Now I need to think what I'm gonna do, and it's just too many options. Very cool. I like it in here. So I've chosen my favorite color, pink and purple. Now, cute. I'll go with this one so I can look at myself on the phone. Cute, cute. 생겼죠? Oh, is it cute? Oh, this is cute too. And I'll take this one. Oh, it's a butterfly. Ooh, butterflies. Matchy, matchy. Ooh, funny. Oh, this big teddy bear. It's so cute. So it took us a little while to pick our charms, but I think this is what I'm gonna go with. I've picked out mostly the colors that I like, obviously pink, and this is what my bestie Henny has chosen. She's got herself a couple little charm thing, and we've got a couple charm here as well, same thing. But yeah, we're gonna get started and let's see how the outcome is at the end. So since it's my first time doing the handcrafting here with the paint on the phone case, they have given us a couple of options on what kind of size and shape of the glue that we want to do. So I have picked this one down here for the pink color that I've chosen, and this one up here for the blue color that I've chosen. Yeah, I can't wait to get it started.
How you doing? 거울속 내게 안녕 꽤나 예쁜 걸만 유할 스타일 몰랐어 Still finding 뭐가 진짜인지 알듯 말듯 나 궁금해 오늘도 난 설친 Red 랩은 널 color I got the 순수한 마음속 끝낼 수 없는 건 Sweet dessert 이제 나 솔직해 삼킨 순간 띠리밤 like do 모든 게 선명해져 뭘 원하는지 나는 마치 띠리밤 like do 너를 만난 순간 터진 내 맘 어쩐다 Blow my mind 다가온 충격 내면서 퍼지는 secret shot 둘셋 눈 깜짝할 사이 내게 터져버린 beauty
So we finally finished our product, and it took us roughly a little more than an hour because we took some time to pick the charms as well. But here is the finished product here. I am quite happy with it. I'm gonna have to zoom in. Yeah, so cute, right? And my friend Honey has Finished hers.
I got my first cake with two of them. I love you matching with Carrie and the mirror, the hat mirror, and also with the pink and blue extensions.
Cute, lovely. So at the end of the session, she allowed us to pick a complimentary sticker as well. So what's Honey gonna pick?
Gonna pick this, you can have bunny.
Oh, cute. For me, I am gonna pick, let me see what they have here. Oh, this one over here. This is the one I'm gonna take. Okay, so that was a really fun activity. And yeah, I can't wait to go pick it up and see the final product after 3 days. I haven't actually decided when I'll pick it up because I've got work Monday to Friday. But yeah, maybe next weekend I'll find some time to pick it up. But yeah, now that we're gonna head back to Central Station and we're gonna pass away because I've got some other appointment to do in Parramatta. And Honey, what other plans do you have for today?
So I'm gonna go home and head to the gym.
Gym
After that,
girl.
sleep early and get ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got work together again tomorrow. Another big day for us. Big week. So we're now on the train. I'm heading to my next appointment and Honey is going to be heading back home to do her gym session. And I'm pretty hungry because I did not have lunch. So I prepared some kimbap that Honey had bought earlier from Lickham Station. This is my favorite tuna kimbap. Look how good this is. 잘 먹겠습니다. So tasty. So I've just finished my second appointment and I've actually just went into Uniqlo to get myself some more winter clothes. Yeah, but now I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna do my gym session as well. But yeah, once we go back to the craft shop, I will show you the finished product of our phone case. So it's now been 3 days and I'm ready to go pick up my phone case from the Cuddly Handcraft shop. And today Honey is not with me because she's not feeling well. But now I'm going to catch the bus and head over there and pick up the case. Here we are at Cuddly Craft shop and today I brought my friend Lena. It's pretty busy in here today, so I'm waiting for the staff to show them my case and hopefully I can pick it up soon. I'm excited. These are phone cases all done and ready. They look so cool.
Wow, so cute.
I am very happy with the way that our phone cases have turned out and it's looking very, very cool. I thank you guys for watching today's video and I hope you like it and subscribe if you did enjoy it. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!